This course contains more than 60 episodes. In a total of more than 5 hours, I explained in details everything about the strategy that I use in my trading sessions. Once you complete the payment, and I will show you how we do it securely, you will have access to 5 main chapters. The first one, the introduction. Here you will find 18 different episodes where I will explain to you in details all the technical indicators that I use, from the moving averages, the simple moving averages, the exponential moving averages, the MACDs, the Bollinger Bands RSI, parabolic SAR, and more. In chapter 2, we will go to the first part of our trading strategy. We will discuss some basic chart patterns that I use to predict the movement of the market. I will also teach you how to spot a trend reversal in a trending market. Chapter 3. This one is the most important chapter. I advise you to focus when you're watching all the 22 episodes in this chapter. The next one, chapter 4. Here I will step by step guide you through my strategy and through some of my winning trades. I will also explain to you how I opened some of the winning trades on my main account. And in the last chapter, we will have 5 episodes where we will learn the advanced level of my trading strategy. Once you complete the previous 4 chapters, the 5th chapter will send you to the expert level in trading different price actions. This strategy can be used in binary options, crypto trading, and forex. And yeah, you can use this strategy in any platform that allows you to use technical indicators. You can use it in Pocket Option, Kojax, IQ Option, Binance, or any platform with technical indicators. So now, let's jump to the payment process. Now, all you need to do is click at Buy Now. A pop-up window will ask you to log in. If you already have an account, you can fill in your username and password. Otherwise, you can register now. You will go back to this page, again click at Buy Now. Here you will fill up your informations normally, and then you will jump to the payment method. We accept payment through PayPal and also credit or debit card. And we recently added a new payment method with cryptocurrency. So if you are interested in paying with crypto, you can just contact us directly and we will guide you through the process. So once you complete the payment, you will have immediate access to the course. Make sure that you are logged into your account and click at Continue Learning. From this point, you have full access to the course. Remember, you will have lifetime access to the course, meaning you can access it whenever and wherever. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. Be careful, trading is risky, you can lose your money. And I'm not guaranteeing you in any way that you will make millions of dollars. All the trading sessions that I share with you is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with trading. And now, all I have left to say is that I hope that you will master the strategy as fast as possible and stop making profit. See ya!